2025 Ford F-150 Lightning. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's designed to adapt to meet your daily demands with its cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof. Get into the car of your dreams today. Visit us.